So, before discussing that what happens when digital business strategy is not clearly defined, let's see what is best digital business strategy. Some would tell you that having a web page or having some app at the cell phone is best thing. Others would ask about search engine optimization. That is to have your website get better position in search engines. Some would say that pay per click is a good option, that is, having your ad at the web and getting paid when people click. And who hasn't heard about social media? We have Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, LinkedIn, and many more. So, some say that content creation and being on social media is best thing and a way to succeed. So, which of these statements is correct? Web, email, social media, search engine optimization, pay per click, or others? The answer is best digital strategy is to align and connect all these channels to work effectively and manage all channels to achieve goals, increase business, and save money. Now, this was about digital business strategy, but question remains there that what happens when digital business strategy is not clearly defined or when business do not align or integrate the channels properly. This results in missed opportunities that arise from lack of evaluation of opportunities or insufficient resourcing of digital business initiatives. Inappropriate direction of digital business strategy, for example, poorly defined objectives, limited integration of digital business at a technical level that results in loss of information in different systems, resource wastage, which happens through duplication of digital business development in different functions, and limited sharing of best practices. So, that was all about what happens when digital business strategy is not clearly defined. In the next video, we are going to discuss the last topic of the module, that is 6 key steps to build a successful digital business. Thank you.